In the course of the week, I was working on a project that I made AI generated some code. So I found out something in the code that I have not used before. Okay, so I sought to understand how that algorithm works. So I came to know that it works similar, just like a for loop. Okay, so we're going to iterate over these prices and get out the total price. Okay, and using for loop. Then I'll use the method that AI use, which works similar like the for loop. So I'll first do a for loop here. So let's do total price. Okay, total price is, let's set it to 0.0 for now. Then for in, we'll do a for in price for price in prices. Okay. So for pricing prices, you're going to say total price plus or equal to price. Okay. Uh, then after the loop, we can print the total price. Okay. So total price is equal to total price. Okay. All right. So if you should print this, you should get the sum of the prices. Okay. So I'm getting the sum of these prices. Let's try and see. This plus this is going to be 57 plus this you're going to get 69, right? 69 plus this you're going to get 71. 71 plus this. So in the one plus this you're going to get 86. We have 70. So 20 out of 70 to this, we're going to get 106. So 156, that is right. Okay, so that is sum. Then let's try the method I'm talking about. Let me start with the price. So it's a fold method on the list. Okay, so prices dot fold. Okay, then it has the initial value. So let's call out the initial value here. So let's say double init total, okay, is equal to 0.0. So we put the init total here. Then this is a combine method. This is a function. Okay, the function that takes the previous and the price. Okay, all right. So we use an arrow function here. What I'm going to do is to sum the previous and the price. Okay, so previous plus price. Okay, so let's put this in a variable. So double results equals this. Okay, so we can now assign the results to our next shared total. So that is equal to results. So let's print this one also. Print code method results. Okay. So we're going to be init total. Okay. Init total. So I'm going to run this, and you can see. So you're having the same results. Okay. You're having the same results. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Have you used this before? And which one do you prefer over which? Okay. Thank you.